It's hard to imagine a more utilitarian structure than a parking garage, yet here we are standing inside it. This one is different because it doubles as a power plant, generating clean electricity supply UW Health's Eastpark medical campus. This is a great demonstration of solar energy's versatility. Here, not only as a source of clean power, but as an urban design feature whose footprint can fit inside a larger structure. One can site a lot of solar power on rooftops and other impervious surfaces if you plan for it from the get-go, which clearly UW Health did. At our annual conference in February, Renew is pleased to recognize UW Health, SunPeak, and Staff Electric for envisioning, designing, and constructing the largest solar-powered parking deck in Wisconsin.
Yeah, this is the largest solar parking lot canopy in the state of Wisconsin, and we're really excited about that because, you know, to be number one, and we didn't set out towards that goal. It was just happenstance. You know, like I said, we really wanted to make a significant impact in renewable energy, and this really did that. And I'm so grateful for our leadership for supporting it. I'm grateful for all of the partners that worked on this project. It's been a huge success for us. We have other projects coming up, and we're going to do the same type of installation on those projects. Not as big. This will be our biggest, but still pretty significant. So I'm really excited. Produce about 1,260 megawatts of electricity. That's going to offset about 20% of the anticipated energy in this building, and it's comparable to planting over 1,000 acres of forest in terms of reducing greenhouse gas emissions. It will also reduce the amount of snow and ice that people get on their cars when they're up here. It will also reduce the heat load. If you're parking all day up here in the sun, your car gets really, really hot. So it's going to help in that regard too. And it'll really reduce slip, trips, and falls. So there are a lot of added benefits on top of solar.
It's a remarkable accomplishment, and if you just look up at all the steel, it's amazing. But it's just one of the many elements that's part of the innovation of Eastpark Medical Center.